Hi friends, welcome to Creo Parametric Lesson 1. Here we are going to learn Creo Basics to Advanced. Just you have to subscribe this channel by clicking subscribe button so you will get a latest tutorial update notification. So don't forget to click subscribe button. So let us start with our lesson 1. Creo Parametric is developed by PTC company. And whenever you are working in any design software, first we have to set a units. So whether you are going to work in mm, inches, feet, centimeters, that depends on your drawing. So for that, first you have to read a drawing and we have to set a dimensions. So here I am just going to start Creo Parametric. So here you can see Creo Parametric. Above that you can see PTC, the company name of that Creo Parametric. So here first we are going to learn how to create a sketch and simultaneously we are going to learn how to create a 3D model. Here I just started a Creo Parametric. So we have to select a new file by clicking new. And here you can see different workbenches. So right now we are going to select part. And we have to give a model name. Next click OK button. Now here part modeling is starting. Here you can see 3 different planes, top, front and right plane. So same thing you can see in model tree also. So first we have to select a units. For that we have to select file, model properties, and we have to select a units, change, and you can select a new. So here we are going to change length. So now here you can see different unit size. So centimeters, mm, feet and inches. So it depend on your drawing. Select. So here I am selecting centimeters and OK. So these are the different menu bars and down you can see different toolbars. And these are the 3 planes. First we have to select a plane and then we have to select a sketch. So once again I will tell you, whenever you are going to start a sketch, first we have to select a plane by clicking plane or by clicking option. Just select a plane and select a sketch. Now you are in Sketcher. We have to just click sketch view for right position. Here you can see line, circle, rectangle, different sketch tools. So first we will see how to use line. Select a line. You can select a line or you can simply press L. Select a line and press first mouse button and just move your mouse. So I want to come out of this command. For that you can use simply escape or you can use select button. Now here I want to trim this extra line. Here you can see delete segment. Select that option and press first mouse button. Next I want to give a dimension for this. So here you can see dimension. Select that dimension and select line and press middle mouse button. So you can see dimension. Select line, select press middle mouse button and enter a dimension. So same thing we have to do here also. I want to give distance between 2 lines. Select 2 lines and press middle mouse button. So don't forget to press middle mouse button, otherwise we can't see dimension. Now my sketch is completed. So I want to create a 3D. For that first we have to exit Sketcher. For that you can click OK button. And for creating 3D, you can select extrude. So extrude is nothing but we are adding a layers to that sketch. For this solid, I want to give a dimension. So here I am giving 100. So this side of sketch or opposite side of sketch. So you can simply use reverse. Suppose if you want to create both side of sketch, for that you can just select the second option, both side of sketch. So this is the best practice. Whenever you are creating, you just use both side of sketch. So you can use middle plane. Now press OK button. So next I want to create a circular hole. For that same thing we have to do. Select a face where you want to create a circle and select a sketch. Then sketch view. So for correct position. Then create a circle. Select a circle. Press first mouse button and give a dimension. And OK button. So we have to use same thing, extrude. So now this is for adding. Just press reverse button, or you can use remove material also. And here you can see remove material. So enter a dimension for that hole. So how much depth you want to give. So how much you want to remove, and then OK button. So in this video we have learned how to select a plane, how to create a sketch, and how to use a extrude. Now here you can see this tree, whatever options we used. So thanks for watching this video. Please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel.